They think they can replace you, they'll try. Oh yes, they'll try to shove someone else into your shoes, like they could ever walk the same path as you. But here's the truth, they can't. You see, they look at people like broken machine parts. Swappable. Replaceable. They don't see the scars you've earned, the weight you've carried, the kind of weight that would break another person in half. But you're different. You felt it every time they pushed you aside, like your value was no more than the breath you were taking. Like you were. Disposable. But let me tell you something they've never understood. There's a world of difference between being replaceable and being unforgettable. They'll chase after replacements, desperate to find anyone who can do what you did. They'll throw some new face into the pit, slap on a fake smile, and dress them up to look the part. But you know what? Deep down, they'll know. They'll feel it in their bones, none of them, not a single one, can ever measure up to you. And that's where the cracks begin. That's when it starts to eat away at them. Oh, they'll keep trying. They'll put on a grand show, parade their shiny new toy around like it's flawless, like it's better than before. But the truth stings, doesn't it? Every day it digs a little deeper. You weren't perfect, not by a long shot, but that's what made you irreplaceable. You had cracks, you had flaws, and those imperfections are what made you powerful. They never understood that, did they? They were too busy chasing some polished version of what they thought they wanted. They thought they could just toss you aside, like your imperfections made you less valuable, less important. But what they'll never grasp is that it's those very imperfections that made you. They wanted clean. They wanted perfect. But perfection never leaves a mark. You ever notice how quiet it gets when you're not around? Oh, they won't admit it. Their pride won't let them. But behind those fake smiles, behind the masks, they miss you not because they liked you. No, it's because they needed you. There's a difference, a huge difference. You gave them something no one else could. You made them feel alive, even if it was just for a moment. You gave them strength, long enough for them to pretend they could stand on their own. But the second you left, the second you disappeared into the shadows, the whole world went quiet for them. Everything turned cold. But here's the best part they'll never tell you. They'll never let you see them drown without you. They're too proud, too stubborn, too terrified of the truth. So they'll keep running in circles, scrambling to fill that void you left behind. But it's all for nothing. Deep down, they know it. No one can do what you did. No one can fill your shoes. No one can carry the weight you bore like it was nothing. They'll chase after your shadow. They'll dig through 1,000 souls trying to find yours. But here's the hard truth, they never will. And that's where your true power lies. Not in their acceptance, not in their praise. No, your power is in the fact that you can never be replaced, even when they're desperate to believe otherwise. They'll realize it one day, after all their replacements break down, crumble under the weight you carried with ease. By then, though, it'll be too late. You'll be long gone, and they'll be left chasing ghosts. They'll be haunted by the memory of you, forever reaching for something they'll never touch again. That's their punishment. But you're free. Free from their expectations, their lies, their empty promises. Free from the chains they tried to wrap around your spirit. They'll spend their lives searching for anyone who can do what you did, who can stand where you stood. But they'll never find them. Because there's only one you. Remember that. Hold it tight. They'll chase replacements, but none will compare to you. Oh, they won't stop, not ever. They'll keep hunting. Keep searching like fools on a twisted treasure hunt, trying to fill the void you left. Because here's the thing, they never realized it. But you weren't just another person to them. You were the foundation, the one they leaned on, the one who carried the weight of it all while they pretended to be in control. And you did it, every time, without hesitation. Why? Because that's who you are. You saw the bigger picture. You knew that proving something to yourself mattered more than proving anything to them. You rose every time they knocked you down, bruised, bleeding, but never broken. They hated that. Oh, how they envied your strength, your resilience. Behind their hollow words of praise was jealousy burning them up from the inside out. You had something they never could purpose. You had that fire, that unstoppable force that kept you going when anyone else would have given up. And they couldn't stand it. So what did they do? They tried to replace you. Like you were just another cog in their machine. But they were wrong. So wrong. They thought they could write you out of the story, erase your presence from the script. Now, they're watching it all fall apart, piece by piece, without you there to hold it together. They'll never admit it, but without you, nothing works. Nothing makes sense. Because you were the glue. You kept it all from falling apart, even when it was tearing you apart inside. They didn't see it then. Maybe they never will. But let them chase ghosts. Let them scramble, searching for someone to take your place. They'll never find that person because you've already won. You won the second you decided to walk away from their chaos. You're building something new, something stronger, something they'll never be part of. That's your victory. That's your legacy. They'll keep chasing replacements, but none will ever come close to you. So don't worry about them. Don't worry about their pride, their arrogance, their lies. They're running in circles, haunted by their mistakes, while you're moving forward. You're free, free from the games they played, free from their chains. And that, my friend, is your ultimate victory. Let them chase replacements all they want. They'll never find another you. They'll try to rebuild, you know. After everything falls apart, after they've realized what they've lost, they'll scramble to piece it back together. They'll gather what's left, all the broken bits, and desperately attempt to recreate what once was. But here's the truth that cuts deep: it's already too late. You see, once something is shattered that badly, it never fits the same. The cracks, the missing pieces, they'll haunt them. No matter how much they try to deny it, cover it up, or act like it doesn't matter. It'll eat at them, slowly, day by day. And you're miles ahead. You've moved past the wreckage they're drowning in. They'll hire, fire, replace again and again, throwing faces, names, and bodies into roles they once demanded you to fill. They'll look for someone to stand as tall, fight as fiercely, or carry as much. But it won't work. Every single attempt will crumble, just like they do. Because at the end of the day, they'll realize something brutal. They didn't just lose a person, they lost the one person who made everything work. You weren't just part of the machine, you were the force behind it. The engine they tried to run without. And it gets worse for them. You'll be a whisper in their minds, a haunting echo that never fades. Every time they fail, every time something goes wrong, they'll remember. They'll remember you. Not just the work you did, not just the weight you carried, but the essence of who you are. They'll remember that power, that relentless spirit, that unbreakable will. And it will drive them mad, knowing they can't get it back. Knowing they pushed away the one thing they needed most. They'll deny it, pretend they're just fine. They'll smile through the storm, act like they've moved on. But beneath that mask, the truth festers. They know they messed up. They know they underestimated the only person who could ever hold it all together. The irony? They'll never admit it. Not to you, not to themselves. But you'll see it. Every time they stumble, every time they fall, you'll know. And it'll be all the more satisfying to see them struggling to patch up a wound that never heals. Here's the thing, they'll never stop chasing ghosts. They'll keep running in circles, forever reaching for someone that isn't there. That's their fate. And yours. Freedom. Freedom from their chaos, their lies, their manipulations. Freedom to rise higher, stronger, while they drown in the consequences of their own arrogance. They'll realize it too late that you were never just another face in their world. You were the light that kept it burning, the fire that kept them alive. And now that you're gone, they'll spend the rest of their lives in the dark, trying to light a flame that no longer exists. But you don't need their light. You've already become a force they can't comprehend. They'll try to rebuild from the ashes. But what they'll never understand is this: you were the fire all along. And they can never relight it. And the more they try to rekindle that fire, the more they'll realize it's impossible. You were never just a spark, you were the wildfire that consumed everything in your path. The kind of flame that can't be controlled, can't be replicated, and sure as hell can't be replaced. They'll feel the emptiness every time they try to light up their world without you. Every flicker, every false start, every desperate attempt to fill the void you left behind will remind them just how much they've lost. And trust me, they'll feel it deep in their bones, because when you walk away, you leave a space no one else can fill. You see, they'll start to notice the weight of your absence in everything they do. It'll creep in slowly at first, like a shadow they can't shake, and then it'll hit them like a sledgehammer. The plans they thought were foolproof. They'll crumble, The people they thought could carry the load, they'll buckle. And the more they struggle, the more it becomes clear you were the backbone. Without you, their foundation is nothing but quicksand, and every step they take sinks them deeper. Oh, they'll try to hide it, cloak it in pride, pretend like it doesn't matter. But here's the thing about truth, it's relentless. It doesn't care about their ego, their facade, or the lies they tell themselves. It'll keep creeping in, keep whispering in their ear, reminding them of the irreplaceable power they threw away. They'll try to ignore it, but every time they look around and see the cracks forming, the truth will scream louder and louder. They let go of the one person who held everything together. And that's the part they'll never escape. The part that will haunt them in the quiet hours, when the world slows down and they're left alone with their thoughts. Because that's when it's the loudest, isn't it? The silence. The space you left behind. It's more than just the absence of your presence, it's the void where your strength, your resilience, and your unwavering spirit once stood. It's the weight of knowing they had something priceless in their hands and let it slip away. But you don't have to live in that darkness. No, you've moved on. You're not chasing ghosts, not running in circles trying to prove yourself to people who never understood your worth. You've risen above it. And now you're unstoppable. They're stuck in the past, grasping at shadows, while you're blazing a new path forward, untouchable by their regrets or their false promises. Let them keep trying. Let them keep searching for a replacement that doesn't exist. Every time they reach for something, every time they think they've found someone to fill your shoes, they'll come up empty. Every single time. Because what they don't realize and what they'll never admit is that you were never replaceable. You were one of a kind. The kind of person who doesn't just fade into memory, but stays. Who leaves a mark so deep it can't be erased. They'll feel it forever, the cold reality that no matter how hard they try, no matter who they bring in, they'll never capture what you brought to the table. They'll see it in every failure, every misstep, every time they think they've found someone new, only to watch them fall short. And deep down, they'll know. They'll know that they let the best thing that ever happened to them walk away. And you'll be out there building something new, something greater, while they remain stuck, drowning in the mess they created. And that's your power. That's your victory. While they keep chasing the ghosts of what they lost, you're moving forward stronger, wiser, free. Because you've always known the truth, haven't you? There's only one you, and they'll never find another.